Hello everyone, today I'm going to have a very useful video for absolutely everyone. I'll show you how to enlarge your battery icon without any programs or apps, just using the default settings of the Hakarish. I'm referring to the battery icon in the top right corner of your smartphone is done. You can double check it yourself and I can tell you it's probably too small. I just moved it closer to the camera. But if you're at arm's length, well, look, it's really small. It is small. And I'll answer your question right away. Why enlarge it at all? The thing is, you look at the battery icon many times throughout the day. I don't know, you could look at it about 1,000 times because we monitor how much battery our phone has left to In normal, good lighting, well, you can still see something more or less, but if, for example, you're walking down the street during the day, well, that icon is really small and you have to look closely to see how much battery is left. Plus, not everyone has a perfect vision, and for some, all this small stuff, so to speak, is somehow uncomfortable to use. I'll now show you several universal ways to enlarge this icon. And this applies to the standard settings. It's just that they're very well hidden and most people simply don't know where they are. And we'll gradually enlarge this icon several times. Now I'll tell you everything and show you. Be sure to support the video with a like, subscribe to the channel, and share with your friends. So before we begin, I remembered a comment that was under a similar video. But in this video, we'll go through everything in as much detail as possible so that everyone can succeed, because there are some issues. And for those who don't succeed, I'll give detailed instructions on what to do if something still doesn't work for you or you come. So I think everyone will be satisfied. So in the comments, people were saying, why bother enlarging something when you can just use a widget? Yes, you can. In principle, download a widget from the Google Play Store, for example, one for battery life, and it will show up somewhere on your home screen. I don't have one right now, but I generally don't use them. But just so you understand, it's a mini app like the time widget. It's a widget and it only lives in one place somewhere on your home screen. Okay. And while that's true, it's also incredibly inconvenient. If you're in an app, for example, searching for something in the browser or just watching YouTube or even just going into settings, where's your budget? Of course, you won't see it. You only see this icon in the top thing in the top right, and it's a fixed up just like the time widget, by the way. Now we'll try to cover some important nuances and points, including how you can gradually increase it and what options are available. Let's start with the simplest thing that can be done on absolutely all smartphones. You need to first go to the standard settings. Go there. Next, look, we'll increase the battery. And as silly as it sounds, in the battery section, there's a section like this on all phones. You do it. Unfortunately, you won't find anything here. There are no settings here that will increase the battery icon. It's located specifically in the display section. But look, in most cases, this is where I went and then you need to find the control center and the kontoshtrotter and statasko SPA. If you don't see this line on your screen, then look for it through the settings search or just somewhere separately. So it says copy, it says call center and dirishu and status bar. Click here, and right here we'll see that there is a battery indicator. And by default, in almost all models, it's inside the icon. So what does this mean? There we have a small battery. And inside this battery, we see how many percent is left over here. And it will be shaded a little more, that is, how much is left. Now what do we do? Go to the battery indicator, and here we have a choice. That is, you can completely shade it without the numbers, like this. And there's a third value that I recommend. This is when the battery is shown separately, and the percentage is also shown separately. And now look, we have this value, the one in the middle, middle. Now see how much it changes. Let me bring it a little closer for you. Pay attention to the current in terms of size. Oh, and now I'll change it to this. And look, it's increased by about 3 times başkams. Not only is the battery itself larger, it's now easier to see how much of the percentage is shaded, yes, and the numerical value is also much larger, and even the percentage is shown. It's already better than before. Yes, the increase right now isn't much, but it has happened. And someone will say, yes, this is a pittance, this is very little. I need it even bigger. I want it to increase by 2 or 3 times, in addition to the fact that now we have already achieved some result. And then I will show you how to do this, that is, how to make even bigger what we have already done. So don't skip anything. Everything is quite simple and everything is done through these standard settings. Let's do this so that you don't get confused. Here I am exiting completely. Now look, we go to the usual standard settings. And you need to find information about the phone or information about the phone. Click next, scroll and find the version of your firmware. If these are Samsung phones or some other models, build number will be called. You should click quickly by the build number somewhere 5 times. Here I click in, it tells me no need, you are already a developer. In your case, it will write, congratulations, you have become a developer. If you are doing this for the first time, now make sure that you don't get confused. Go back to the settings. Now look for advanced settings. I'll answer the question right away that some people don't have advanced settings. So just look in the general settings, or you can even use the settings search. And you'll usually find a section there called system or something similar. There, go to advanced settings. Then scroll down. You need to find the line for developers. Click on it. Now look, we scroll down and find a setting called minimum width. But that's what I call it personally. For someone else, it might be called differently. The important thing is to just find the numbers at the bottom and it will say DPB. That's how it is for me. Now let's get a closer look. It says DP. For some people, the DPI will be this value, which is what I have now. You see, it's different on all smartphones. It go. For others, it will be 450, 480, 380. Yes, in principle, it can be whatever you want. The larger this value is, the smaller this one will be for you. Icon. So you need to find the value that suits you as a share. The smaller you enter, the larger the value will be. I'll just speak from experience and tell you the value that I personally like, and that meets all the parameters. Who are you? For example, I use 3111. This is the minimum width. Click here. A window will appear where you can delete this value. Very good to show you. If, for example, a value doesn't suit you, you can go into the settings at any time and return the value that was there, or enter a larger or smaller value, or customize it. Personally, as I say, I'll repeat, I use 311. And then I'll tell you and show you how everything changes and what we get with this size on Goma. Look, let's do it so you can see. Now we've created an icon like this. So you see what its current size is. I entered 311. Wait, pay attention. I'm going to click OK. And look how much this icon gets bigger. I press OK. And look, do you see how much it's gotten bigger? Well, somewhere around 3, 4, even 5 times bigger. Now, at arm's length, we can see a cool, good battery value, EMS. Well, it's really nice to look at. Well, of course, you noticed that not only the battery and the value itself have changed, but also these icons. The font size has changed, it's gotten bigger. But it's not just the font size that has changed, that is the size of the letters. Your icons will also change to all ocean. You see, such a transformation is taking place. And now you will see, this is the size of our icons. That is, you can rewind the video a little, see what the icons were like before and what you see now. But this is how much we've enlarged them. If we go to the settings now, you can see that all the text has become larger. The icons on the left side have also become larger. And now, well, I don't know about you personally, but I think this is just the perfect size. That is, it's both small and the font and icons are quite large. Dur şu pusher. Personally, I'm very comfortable using my smartphone with this icon size plus these enlarged icons. It's very convenient to use, but again, not everyone likes it. So if you, for example, don't like the fact that these icons and the font have become larger, many people will write, I'm used to the video, it was yeni. I just want this big battery and everything else back to how it was in India. Here's how to do the app. To do this, you need to go to the regular standard settings. Then, in the settings search, simply type the sizes. The first one is icon size. Go to this setting, and you'll see the value in the middle. Yes, just take it smaller, make it as small as possible, and set it to the lowest size. Go back. Look, all these app icons have returned to the size they were before the battery icon was enlarged. If you noticed, the battery icon stayed large, it didn't change, but all the apps and icons are back to their previous sizes. So, whoa. Now, there's a second setting for those who don't like the font size, which has got much larger along with the icon. So, you enter the size here and then simply look for the text size. Click here, you'll see a value here. Usually it's sizes, but just set it to a smaller size like 2 or S. So what? 2 way. 2 to the you can see that the text has become much thinner, much smaller. So we've adjusted the text size and the icon size. And the end result is that this value has stayed large in the opacity. The battery is now large, but everything else is basically the same. But again, I personally wouldn't change anything because the 311 size is absolutely gorgeous. I personally like it, but you can try setting it to a smaller or larger size for yourself. And finally, stick with the one you're most comfortable using.